Hello everyone and welcome to this Java tutorial. This video is a continuation of the decision structures video. In this video, I will make a complex program using if statements. The program I'm going to create in this video will ask the user if they want to find the area of a rectangle or a circle. When they make the decision, they can enter the dimensions of the rectangle or the radius for the circle. Then the computer will execute a set of instructions and tell them the area of their given shape. Let's begin. Here I have set up three things for you guys. The first line is importing the scanner class so we can take input from the user. I have made a more detailed video on this. The second line is making a class. The third line is declaring the main method. The first thing I will do is declare and initialize a scanner object. To do that, write scanner input equals new scanner parentheses system dot n close parentheses semicolon. Now I will create variables to store the value of the user's input. First one I will make is int choice. This is when they choose whether they want to find the area of a circle or a rectangle. Next I will make double r, which is the radius. It can be any decimal value, that's why I'm using double. Then I will do double length, so L for length, and double W for width. The bottom two are for rectangles. I have to declare all these variables because I don't know what the user will choose. So I will output a message to the user asking them for input. System dot out println parentheses quotations choose a shape, enter 1 for circle and 2 or 2 for rectangle, closed quotation, close parentheses, semicolon. Next I will ask the user for input. I will use the variable choice equals input dot next int parentheses semicolon. Hit compile and save your program. When you click run, you can see that there is an output message and a text box where you can enter any number. Now we can go ahead and use if statements so we can make decisions based on what the user enters. So if choice is equal to 1, curly bracket, close curly bracket, system dot out dot println parentheses quotations circle area equals pi times radius to the power of 2, close quotations, close parentheses, semicolon. We will ask the user for the radius by outputting a message system.out.println parentheses quotations enter a radius. And now I will make a text box where the user can enter the radius. So r equals input dot next int parentheses semicolon. Hit compile and run. You can see when I click enter 1 and hit enter, the message outputs. Getting the value of r from the user, we need to perform some calculations. But for that, we need to go up here and declare some more variables. So double area C, so area of a circle, and double area R, so area of a rectangle. Now we can come back down here and say area of C equals 3.14 multiplied by radius again, semicolon. Let's try outputting this. System dot out dot println parentheses quotations the area of the circle is close quotations plus area C parentheses semicolon. hit compile and run. When you click 1, enter. Now you have the option to enter a radius. So let's say 2. You can see that we have the area of the circle. Is that we're entering all the code between the curly brackets of the if statement. Now we need to come out and say if choice equals 2, then we can take this code from here, paste. So rectangle area is length times width, then enter length and enter a width. We can make places for the user to enter the value. So go under length and write L equals input dot next int parentheses semicolon. And here change the R to W. Now change this to area R, the formula to L times W, and this statement to area of this rectangle is area R. I have forgotten to put the curly brackets. Make sure not to do that. Now you can hit compile and run. You can choose 2 this time. Enter a length, so 4, enter a width, 5. We know that the area of a rectangle of length 4 and width 5 is 20. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help me reach 100 subscribers on this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the like button as I want to reach 100 likes.